Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum and a very good morning to all of you. Welcome to all of you in your new session 2001 20 21 22. Okay, my dearest student, I hope you all are ready for your today class. So, start listening my instruction. Everybody sit properly in front of your computer, laptop, or whatever do you have. I'm your English teacher and sharing with you your subject English. Listen my instruction carefully. Sit properly in front of your computer, laptop, whatever do you have. Okay? And I hope the homework which I have given you yesterday you all have done. Okay? If you have completed your homework, so you chat with me and give me answer that teacher I have completed my homework. I am starting my class. Class 4th, subject English, unit number 1, Fabulous Beast. Yesterday I have shared with you poem Fabulous Beast and the reading comprehension, question answers, difficult words, words meaning with all of you. Today I am sharing with you about today's objective, identify common homonyms. Today I will be discuss with you common homonyms, identify nouns that are used as adjective, and today I will also discuss with you about that understand the use of adverbs of frequency to indicate how often we do something. This is our today's objective. This is our today task that today I will complete. I will give you the instruction according regarding your course book and workbook. So all of you must have your course book and workbook. Open your course book page number 11 and also your workbook page number 5. Okay, today I am discussing with you your course book page number 11. So what you will do, everybody open your course book page number 11. Today I am starting first of all homonyms. और बेटा स्क्रीनशॉट लेते रहिएगा. You must take the screenshot of every slide. It will be helpful for completing in your homework. It will be helpful for completing your homework. So what you will do, you have to take the screenshot of the slides. So beta, today I am discussing with you the homonyms. Listen me carefully. What is a homonym? A homonym is a word that is the same as another in sound and or spelling but different in meaning. Okay beta, homonym कौन से words होते हैं? Homonyms are the word that is the same as another in sound. It's mean in pronunciation the words are same, and in spelling also they are same but different in meanings. But their meanings are different. For example, aunt and aunt both have the same pronunciation. Okay, and somewhere they have the same spelling, but the here is not the same spelling, but I am giving you the same pronunciation example. The aunt is an insect. Okay, and okay beta, an aunt is the sister of your mother or a father. It's mean here are two aunts but they have the same pronunciation. Okay, they have the Ismail Ghani, you don't have workbook, so what you will do, you have to purchase it. Okay, okay. Now what is a homonym? A homonym is a word that is same as another in sound and spelling but different in meaning. अब जरा अपनी book में page number 11, put your finger on a line number 1. Book page number 11, put your finger on a line number 1. Line number 1 vocabulary पे finger रखिए बेटा. Vocabulary homonyms. I have also put my finger on workbook page number 11. Homonyms are the words that have the same spelling and pronunciation but different meanings. You can check in your book. This is the given in your book. Homonyms कौन से words होते हैं बेटा? They have the same spelling and pronunciation but the different meanings. इनके meanings different होती है. Look at the examples more. Let's look at some examples. I am showing you, I am explaining you by the different examples of homonyms. Homonyms. Look at these. There, there, there. They have the same pronunciation. They have the same pronunciation, different spellings. They have the same pronunciation here, here, two, two, two. But they have the different meanings. Be careful. Be careful. Everybody must keep in your mind that have the same pronunciation, but they have the different meanings. इनके different meanings होते हैं, but they have the same pronunciation. Okay, here it's they have the different spelling, but same pronunciation and different meanings. Okay, now another is example. Look at this fly. This is the house fly and she is fly. Okay, they have the same pronunciation, fly. They have the same spelling, but both have different meaning. One fly meaning house fly, one fly meaning udna. And what about the ring? What about the ring? Ring spelling, both have same spelling, both have same pronunciation, but have the different meanings. इनके meanings change है. This is the ring, this is the ring, and this is the phone ringing. Phone is ringing, phone is ringing. Okay, now again look at this wave. Wave, he is waving his hand, he is waving his hand, and this is the wave. Wave mean tide, लहर. पानी की जो लहर होती है ना, tide, लहर. So they have wave, wave, and wave. Same spelling, same pronunciation, but different meanings. Both have the different meanings. Same. This is the ruler. This is the ruler word. Ruler, king, hukumran. Ruler, your scale, ruler. Same pronunciation, same sound. Pronunciation means same sound. Both have the same sound. Ruler, ruler. Same pronunciation, same sound, same spelling, but the different meanings. But the different meanings. Everybody must keep in your mind that you have the different meanings in homonyms, but have the same spelling and same pronunciation. This is your homonym task. More example I am sharing with you. Homonyms. This is a plane. Plane. Can you identify the homonym in this? Yes, this is the plane picture. And what about the plane? This is the simple. This plane means simple. ये बिल्कुल सादा सा plane है. They have the same pronunciation but different meaning. Both plane have same pronunciation but different meanings. Okay, I hope you all have the clear understanding about the homonyms. Homonyms have the same sound, pronunciation, somewhere same spelling, somewhere not everywhere same spelling, and different meanings. Homonyms fun. I see the sea. The happy face is telling you that I see the sea. I see the sea. मैंने समंदर देखा. See, देखा, see, समंदर. They have the same pronunciation but different spelling and different meanings. Okay, I am a knight riding in the night. Knight कहते हैं सिपाही को. He is a knight. K-N-I-G-H-T, knight, riding in the night. Knight is riding in the night. Same pronunciation but different meanings. But different meanings. This is your book. Now everybody again put your finger on your book, line number 1. Today I have started book page number 11 about the vocabulary, and I have given you the detail about the homonyms. Homonyms are words that have the same spelling and pronunciation but different meanings. This is your course book page number 11. I hope that you all have put your finger on book page number 11. अच्छे बच्चों की तरह अपनी finger line number 1 पे रख के पढ़िए दोबारा मेरे साथ. Homonyms are words that have the same spelling and pronunciation but different meanings. But different meanings. Joe is the name of a boy. Bumped his head against the door. Joe bumped his head, sir, against the door. And in another picture, we always had home after school. We always had home after school. In this line, easily had describing that इसका सर जो है वो डोर से टकरा गया. Had means sir. And in this line, we always had home after school कि हम स्कूल के बाद सीधा घर जाते. तो both had have the same pronunciation, same spelling but different meanings. Okay beta. Now this is the exercise. ये एक्सरसाइज सिर्फ बुक में ही करनी है. मैच ईच पेयर ऑफ सेंटेंसेस टू द करेक्ट पिक्चर. अब आपने इन पिक्चर्स को इन सेंटेंसेस से मैच करना है. यू हैव द 4 पिक्चर्स एंड यू हैव द 4 सेंटेंसेस. व्हाट यू विल डू, टेक योर रूलर और पेंसिल इन योर हैंड. अपनी रूलर और पेंसिल्स को अपने हैंड में रखिए और ज़रा ये समझ जाइए व्हाट इज दिस. द नंबर 1, द चिल्ड्रन प्ले एट द पार्क एवरी सैटरडे. So according to this picture, where are the children? They are playing in the park every Saturday. The children play at the park every Saturday. So where is the children picture? Where is the children picture? Here is the children picture. Look at this. The children play at the park every Saturday. So this is the children picture. The children are playing in the park, and again the bus driver parks the buses at the depot every evening. So park mean गाड़ी को park करना, and this park mean park. So both have the same spelling, same pronunciation but different meanings. Okay beta, homonyms are the same pronunciation. Pronunciation means sound. Somewhere have the same spelling, कहीं कहीं same spelling भी होती है, and डिफरेंट मीनिंग्स, मगर इनके मीनिंग्स डिफरेंट होते हैं. आई होप. अच्छा, ये पेंसिल्स आप इस तरह से खुद से करेंगे अपनी बुक में. नाउ द नंबर 2, the garbage truck is making its morning round of the neighborhood. The garbage truck, where is the garbage truck from those 2 pictures? Here. So what you will do, you will match it. The garbage truck is making its morning round of the neighborhood. This is the baby has a round chubby face. chubby मतलब गोल सा, थोड़ा सा ओके बेटा. द बेबी हैज अ राउंड chubby फेस. राउंड, थोड़ा सा गोल मटोल सा. ठीक है, बेबी हैज. सो दिस विल बी मैच विद दिस. आई एम अगेन टेलिंग यू, द चिल्ड्रन प्ले एट द पार्क एवरी सैटरडे. बच्चे पार्क में सैटरडे को खेलते हैं. सो अकॉर्डिंग टू दिस पिक्चर, विच इज द मैचिंग पिक्चर ऑफ दिस सेंटेंस? यू विल फाइंड आउट द मैचिंग पिक्चर of the given sentence. These are the sentence and these are the pictures. You will find the matching sentence with the given picture. So in this picture, children are playing in the park, and in this picture, park mean गाड़ियों को पार्क करना, एक जगह खड़ा करना साइड पर. The bus driver park the buses at the depot every meaning. So I am telling you that park have the same sound, park have the same spelling but the different meaning. Same. Round, चक्कर लगाना, and round mean गोल. चक्कर लगाना and goal. Round have the same spelling, same pronunciation but different meanings. I hope you all have the clear understanding about this page number 11 of homonyms. अब आप अपनी वर्ब बुक का पेज नंबर 5 ओपन कीजिए. दिस इज योर वर्ब बुक पेज नंबर 5. Okay, this is your workbook page number 5. This is your workbook page number 5. How you will be completed. This is the another exercise regarding your topic homonyms. This is your vocabulary, and this is your workbook page number 5. जल्दी जल्दी खोलिए. This is your workbook page number 5. Everybody open your workbook page number 5. Okay, in your workbook page number 5, Fabulous Beast vocabulary A exercise. Match the pictures to the correct sentences. What you will do? A man, look at the picture very carefully. In this picture, you can see that a man, he is feeling not happy because he has something on his head. So match the sentence according to the situation. A jet plane can fly at a very high speed. According to this, jet plane is flying? No. An irritating fly, irritating तंग करने वाली house fly landed on the storekeeper's head. So what line will be matched with it? This line will be matched with the man picture. So what you will do? You will match it with the help of pencil. Okay beta, this you will be matched with the pencil. Okay, beta. Now, according to this picture, you will match the situation picture with the sentence. Now, the number 2. Look at the picture carefully. Girls are singing. They all are playing, enjoying, singing. So, what the line will be match? Let's go and play basketball after school. Is it look like a basketball picture? No. Ron, Tina, and Ema. He is Ron, he is Tina, and he is Ron, she is Tina, and she is Ema. Stage a new play for their school annual concert. They are playing a school concert. They are practicing for their school concert. So, what line will be matched with it? This line will be matched. This line will be matched with this situation. Okay. Now, no entry, it's mean you not allowed to be go ahead there. I am craving a bar of dark chocolate right now, and the sign was put to bar children from the hall. ये साइन इसलिए लगाया गया है कि no children allowed, no one can enter here. So which line will be matched? This line will be matched with the picture. Okay, my dearest student, I hope you have the clear understanding that how you will be completed with the help of pencil. You will be completed. Pencil से fill करेंगे, pencil से copy में काम आप pen से करेंगे, but you will fill the book work with the help of pencil. Okay. Now, moving forward. Another picture. This is also your workbook page number 6. You can see this. This is your workbook page number 6. Again, you have the exercise of harmonium. और अब हम ये जल्दी जल्दी fill करेंगे. Okay. This is your exercise B. Write A or B in the brackets to indicate the correct meaning of the homonyms. Class आपके पास यहाँ पर line number 1 mention है और आपके पास 2 bracket है, and you will be fill A and B regarding to the right answer. Number 1. We saw a seal. Seal कहते हैं पानी की बिल्ली. Balancing a ball on its nose when we visited the water park. Okay. And the sentence number 2. One should always seal. Pack कर देना, बंद कर देना envelopes carefully before posting letters. Otherwise the letter might drop out. So with नंबर 1 में आंसर अ मरीन एनिमल, और नंबर 2 इसी नंबर 1 का सेकंड ब्रैकेट विल बी बी. इट्स मीन बी फॉर द राइट, A for this one, marine animal. Seal is a marine animal, and this seal mean packing here. Okay, अब आपने क्या करना है, पेंसिल से A और B इस तरह से लिख लेंगे आप. Now the number 2. Can I have a bit? Bit कहते हैं piece of chili sauce to go with the my friend rice. Ouch, the hamster bit me. There are the 2 different sentences. Number 1, can I have a bit of chili sauce to go with my fried rice? And number 2 sentence, ouch, the hamster bit me. Bit mean काट लेना, bit mean छोटा सा टुकड़ा. So where you will write the right answer? A, bit and bit. It's mean number B, a small amount. Chili sauce थोड़ा सा चाहिए. This is the, and काट लेना bit, bite is the first form and the second form is bit. So bite की second form क्या है? Bit. Here you will write A and here you will write B. Now the number 3. Please draw. बना दीजिए. Sorry. Draw खींच दीजिए. Bracket the curtains. पर्दे. It's too bright outside. Jamie can draw. Make a beautiful picture of her mom. So where you will write A and where you will write B? Make a picture of, या B, pull. A, make a picture of, it's mean here you will write the B and here you will write the A. I hope you have the clear understanding what am I telling you. I am telling you about the homonyms, and now we are filling here the, filling here the right bracket answer. Okay, number 4. James was late because he was caught in a traffic jam. Jam, फंसा हुआ. Mom bought a jar of delicious strawberry jam. Jam, sweet. Last Sunday. So number A, congestion, फंस जाना traffic में. Number B, fruit conserve. So where you will put jam? Yes, here is A, congestion, and fruit conserve, jam. Here is a B. Number 5. Peter forgot to bring his tennis racket today. Okay. Racket, you know very well about the racket. We cannot hear that what is ma'am saying because of the racket of neighbors are making. A lot of noise. Racket mean a lot of noise and be a type of bat. So where you will put A or B? Here you will a type of bat, racket, type of bed, and this racket mean a lot of noise. Okay, इसी तरह पेंसिल से जैसे मैं फिल कर रही हूँ आप भी कीजिएगा. Harmoniums. Number 6, I am sure I can beat you at the race if trying hard enough. We need to beat the dusty rug with a stick. Beat mean मारना, और इस beat के meaning, एक beat meaning होते हैं हरा देना, और एक beat के meaning होते हैं yes मारना. Yes, so what you will be filling number 1? Hin. Beat mean won, win, and here you will write A. This is your workbook page number 6 exercise. I hope you will be completed very carefully. Okay, now I am moving forward. The time is running now. Today I am telling you about the adjectives. This is your course book page number 12. Page number 12. Adjective. What are the adjectives? Adjectives is a word that describe a noun. It tells you more about the kind or quantity of the noun. Therefore, an adjective is a word that adds more meaning of the word it describing. Adjective बेटा आपको noun के बारे में बताता है और ज्यादा वजाहत से कि noun. For example, you have an apple. आपके पास एक apple है तो आप कहेंगे I have a apple. मगर आप कैसे बताएंगे this apple is sweet, this apple is red. तो sweet और red adjective है. Okay, I am giving you the more explanation about the adjective. Look at this picture. In this picture you can a boy, girl, and a boy. What are the adjective in this picture? Short hair. They have hair, but what about the adjective? They all have the short hair. This short hair mean adjective. This short mean adjective. Now everybody open your workbook, course book page number 12. Again put your finger on your course book page number 12. अच्छे बच्चों की तरह जल्दी से फिंगर रख लीजिए. Put your finger on course book page number 12. Grammar. Nouns are used as adjective when they are placed in front of other nouns to describe them. Nouns are used as adjective. वो nouns adjectives के लिए जब इस्तेमाल होते हैं when they are placed in front of other nouns, जब आप उन्हें किसी दूसरे noun के साथ लाते हैं to describe them, उन्हें describe करने के लिए. For example, I am telling you in a simple word, अगर आप किसी भी चीज़ की quality, गुड क्वालिटी, बैड क्वालिटी, आप उसको डिस्क्राइब करते हैं, नाउन को डिस्क्राइब करते हैं और ज़्यादा, तो वो एडजेक्टिव होता है. ओके बेटा, फॉर एग्जांपल फिश बोन्स, अगर सिर्फ बोन्स हो और उसके सामने फिश ना लगाओ तो यू कैन नॉट आइडेंटिफाई व्हाट टाइप ऑफ बोन इज दिस. बस फिश मीन you have the clear understanding, and this word fish is adjective. A garbage truck, you saw many trucks, but a garbage truck tells you that the truck is used for the garbage. Garbage is an adjective. A plastic bag, you have the different types of bags, but the word plastics tells you about the type of bag. It's mean this is the adjective. It is the adjective. Okay beta, the words fish, garbage and plastic are noun used as adjective. ये तमाम चीजें noun हैं, मगर ये आपको इस वक्त adjective बता रही है, because noun are used as adjective when they are placed in front of other noun. जब ये किसी दूसरे noun के साथ लगते हैं तो क्या बन जाते हैं? Adjective. सो बेटा व्हाट यू विल डू, अब आप पेंसिल दोबारा से हाथ में ले लीजिए, हम ये एक्सरसाइज फिल करेंगे. अंडरलाइन द नाउन्स दैट आर यूज्ड एज एडजेक्टिव इन द फॉलोइंग सेंटेंसेस. अब आपको इन सेंटेंसेस में से अंडरलाइन करने हैं नाउन. सॉरी, व्हाट यू विल अंडरलाइन? एडजेक्टिव अंडरलाइन करेंगे आप बेटा. नंबर 1, जैक इज माई बास्केटबॉल कोच. अगर आप सिर्फ ये लाइन इसी तरह से पढ़ें, जैक इज माई कोच, यू हैव द क्लियर आइडिया. बट बास्केटबॉल टेल्स यू अबाउट द नाउन, ये आपको डिस्क्राइब कर रहा है नाउन के सिचुएशन की, कोच किस टीम का है? बास्केटबॉल. इट्स मीन द बास्केटबॉल हियर इज अ एडजेक्टिव. बास्केटबॉल के नीचे अंडरलाइन कीजिएगा पेंसिल से. नंबर 2, माई मदर बेक मी अ बर्थडे केक यस्टरडे. मेरी मामा ने मेरे लिए कल बर्थडे केक बनाया. सो व्हाट विल बी द एडजेक्टिव हियर? कौन इसमें नाउन को डिस्क्राइब कर रहा है? द वर्ड बर्थडे. बर्थडे बता रहा है आपको. व्हाट अबाउट द केक? You will underline the birthday. Please wait for me at the bus station tomorrow morning. Here is the bus, used as adjective. Susan always wears a gold necklace around her neck. So where is the adjective in this? Who qualifies a noun? Who describe a noun here? The word gold qualifies a noun. Okay, this is the adjective which qualifies a noun. जो noun को और वजाहत से बताए वो adjective होता है. Number 5, the boat race was loved by one and all. कौन सी रेस सबको पसंद आती है? द बोट रेस. द वर्ड बोट is describing here as an adjective. I hope you all have the clear understanding about the book page number 12. Moving forward, again दिस इज योर वर्क बुक पेज नंबर 7. अब अगेन इसी से रिलेटेड आपकी वर्क बुक की एक्सरसाइज है जो आपने अभी करनी है. नाउन्स आर यूज्ड एज एडजेक्टिव व्हेन दे आर प्लेस्ड इन फ्रंट ऑफ अदर नाउन टू डिस्क्राइब देम. आई होप यू ऑल हैव ओपन योर वर्क बुक पेज नंबर 7. वर्क बुक का पेज नंबर 7 ओपन है सबका? वेरी गुड. नाउन आर यूज्ड एज एडजेक्टिव व्हेन दे आर प्लेस्ड इन फ्रंट ऑफ अदर नाउन्स टू डिस्क्राइब देम, व्हिच आई हैव शेयर्ड विद यू दैट नाउन एडजेक्टिव कौन होते हैं? जब दूसरे नाउन्स के साथ उनको डिस्क्राइब करते हैं, दैट्स कॉल्ड द एडजेक्टिव. नंबर ए एक्सरसाइज, फिल इन द ब्लैंक्स विद द वर्ड्स इन द बॉक्सेस. अब आपके पास यहाँ पे कुछ बॉक्सेस वर्ड्स हैं, यू विल बी फिल्ड अकॉर्डिंग टू द सेंटेंसेस. ओके बेटा. नंबर 1 डैश रोबोट. नंबर 1 डैश रोबोट. सो व्हाट द वर्ड विल बी क्वालिफाइज द रोबोट. इसमें से कौन सा ऐसा वर्ड है जो कि रोबोट के बारे में बताएगा? बस बताएगी रोबोट के बारे में, टेनिस, टॉय या फ्रूट? वेरी गुड, टॉय रोबोट. द वर्ड इज टॉय रोबोट. अब आप इसमें क्या फिल करेंगे बेटा? टॉय. सेम एज इट इज यू हैव नंबर 2 अ बॉल. व्हाट अबाउट द बॉल? बॉल में आप क्या लिखेंगे? बॉल के साथ जो बॉल की क्वालिटी को क्वालिफाइज करेगा, डिस्क्राइब करेगा, बस लिखेंगे, टेनिस लिखेंगे, टॉय या फ्रूट? यस डेफिनेटली इट इज अ टेनिस. टेनिस की बॉल. Very good. Yamin is giving me answer. Anika also giving me answer. Very good. Now the number 3 डैश ड्राइवर. अब ये बताइए जरा मुझे कौन सा आंसर ठीक है? बस का ड्राइवर होगा, टेनिस का, टॉय का, फ्रूट का? वेरी गुड, बस ड्राइवर. वेरी गुड तस्बील, बस ड्राइवर. ओके. एंड द नंबर 4 बाउल ऑफ डैश सैलेड. कौन सा सैलेड का बाउल है यहाँ पे? बस, टेनिस, टॉय या फ्रूट? वेरी गुड, fruit salad. Very good. I hope you have the clear understanding about this workbook page number 7. Okay, now the B exercise, fill in the blanks with the words in the gift box. Pencil, rice, computer, paper, apple, diamond. You have to do it, you have to complete it by yourself, but I am giving you the instruction that how you will be completed. Number 1 mom bought me a new dash case recently. मामा ने मेरे लिए न्यू डैश केस खरीदा. कौन सा केस खरीदा? पेंसिल, राइस, क्या फिल करेंगे आप इसमें? पेंसिल. वेरी गुड. नंबर 2 जैक स्पेंड मैनी आवर्स प्लेइंग डैश गेम्स एवरी डे. जैक हर वक्त क्या खेलता रहता है? पेंसिल से, राइस से, कंप्यूटर से, पेपर से? वेरी गुड, कंप्यूटर गेम्स खेलता है. नंबर 3 प्लीज क्लीन योर हैंड्स विद द डैश टॉवल. पेपर टॉवल, पेपर टॉवल. नंबर 4 द स्पार्कली डैश रिंग कॉट द अटेंशन टू द thief. Very good. The sparkly diamond ring caught the attention of the thief. Number 4 में diamond. Number 5 baby Joshua drink dash juice for lunch every day. Baby Joshua drink apple juice. Apple आएगा बेटा यहाँ. Number 6 please make some dumplings for dinner. Rice dumplings for dinner. You have to fill it by your own understanding. I have explained you that how you will be fill it. ओके बेटा, अब आपने इसको खुद से भी फिल करना है ना. मूव फॉरवर्ड, अब आगे बढ़ेंगे. ओके, मूव फॉरवर्ड. This is your verb course book page number 13. Now come on your course book page number 13. Everybody open your course book page number 13. Course book page number 13 exercise B. Fill in the blanks with the words given in the box. These all are the adjectives you will be fill by writing the in your book. And this is just your book work. इसमें से कोई भी काम आपने कॉपी में नहीं करना है. द ऑल वर्क यू हैव टू कंप्लीट इन योर बुक राइट नाउ. ओके, ये सारा काम आपने आज सिर्फ बुक का ही मैंने बताया, सिर्फ बुक में ही करने का काम है. आगे अभी मैं और आपको डिस्क्राइब करूंगी. फिल इन द ब्लैंक्स विद द वर्ड गिवन इन द बॉक्स. नंबर 1 यूज फ्यूवर डैश प्रोडक्ट टू सेव मोर ट्रीज. आप दरख्तों को बचाने के लिए कम से कम किस चीज का इस्तेमाल करेंगे? यूज फ्यूवर पेपर प्रोडक्ट्स टू सेव मोर ट्रीज. जितना आप कागज, आपको पता है ना, यू नो दैट पेपर इज मेड बाय वुड. जब आपको पेपर आप जाया करते हैं तो इसका मतलब आप ट्री को जाया कर रहे हैं. फ्रॉम वेयर वी गेट द पेपर? वी गेट द पेपर बाय द वुड. Number 2, Uncle Vincent works in the zoo. He is a passionate dash lover. Animal. The word animal describing about the noun lover. Number 3, to help reduce waste, we use recyclable bags instead of dash bags when shopping at the supermarket. So which type of bags you have to use except this type of bags? You will not use the plastic bag. Plastic bags के बजाय आपको पेपर bags यूज करने चाहिए ताकि reduce हो सके ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा, because plastic make the pollution. Number 4, the garbage truck unload at the garbage truck. Garbage truck कहाँ unload करता है सब कुछ? Garbage dump. Okay, I hope you have the clear understanding that where you will be filled. Many students are giving me right now answer about the activity and you are very good. All are Abdul Rahman, Anika, Muhammad. I am telling the name Huzaifa, Ismail, Tasbil, Zahra, Anika, Yamin. You all are very good students because you are participating very well. Now this one is new activity. We use adverbs of frequency to show how often we do something. अब जरा इसको जरा गौर से सुनिए बेटा, ये आपकी नई एक्टिविटी है. एडजेक्टिव भी आपका पूरा हो गया. अब मैं आपको adverbs of frequency के बारे में बता रही हूँ. This is the adverb of frequency. That what is the adverbs of frequency? जब भी कोई चीज़ हम यूज़ करते हैं, सम टाइम वी यूज़ द थिंग मोस्टली, बहुत ज़्यादा इस्तेमाल करते हैं. सम टाइम वी यूज़ द थिंग वेरी लिटिल. ओके, इट्स मीन दैट शो द क्वांटिटी, so why we call them the adverbs of frequency. कि कितनी टाइम हम कोई सी भी चीज़ यूज़ कर रहे हैं ना, so what we call it. Molly is the name of a girl. Molly sometimes takes sugar in her tea. मॉली जो है, मॉली कभी कभी अपनी चाय में शुगर लेती है. इट शोज द एडवर्ब्स ऑफ फ्रीक्वेंसी. समटाइम्स शो द, कभी कभी, द वर्ड इज कभी कभी. इट शोज द एडवर्ब्स ऑफ फ्रीक्वेंसी. जैक इज ऑलवेज लेट फॉर वर्क. ऑलवेज वर्ड शो द एडवर्ब्स ऑफ फ्रीक्वेंसी. तारा ऑफन गोज टू द पार्क फॉर अ जॉग. ऑफन अक्सर जाती है तारा जो है वो कहाँ, पार्क, जॉगिंग के लिए. सो हेयर आर द एडवर्ब्स ऑफ फ्रीक्वेंसी विच आई एम टेलिंग यू अबाउट दैट हाउ यू विल बी फॉलोड. एलिस ऑलवेज ईट एप्पल्स. ऑलवेज का मतलब होता है 100% सब दिन. 100%. ऑलवेज मतलब हमेशा, सब दिन. इसका मतलब अगर कोई आपके साथ किसी भी सेंटेंस में ऑलवेज यूज करता है, इसका मतलब हमेशा. नंबर 2, एलिस यूजुअली ईट्स एप्पल. यूजुअली का मतलब क्या होता है? आमतौर पे, यानी कि ये भी इस्तेमाल करता है मगर हमेशा नहीं करता. आप ये समझ लें कि ये 100% में से 90% हो गया. यूजुअली. एलिस ऑफन ईट्स एप्पल. ऑफन का मतलब होता है अक्सर, अक्सर इस्तेमाल करता है. अकॉर्डिंग टू द पिक्चर यू कैन अंडरस्टैंड. ऑलवेज देखो, ये हमेशा सारे एप्पल्स की पिक्चर बनी नजर आ रही है. इसका मतलब एलिस हमेशा एप्पल खाता है, खाती है, व्हाटएवर. एलिस यूजुअली ईट्स एप्पल. एलिस जो है वो एप्पल्स सब दिन खाती है एक्सेप्ट वन डे. इसका मतलब ये 90% हो गया ना. एलिस ऑफन ईट्स एप्पल. नाउ हियर देयर आर 3 एप्पल्स एंड 2 डिफरेंट फ्रूट्स. इट्स मीन ऑफन मतलब अक्सर खाती है. एलिस समटाइम्स ईट एप्पल. सम टाइम का मतलब क्या होता है? कभी कभी. अब देख लें, इससे आपको अंदाजा हो रहा है. एलिस सेल्डम ईट्स एप्पल. अब सेल्डम का मतलब होता है एक आध बार, कभी, बिल्कुल सेल्डम. एलिस नेवर ईट्स एप्पल. नेवर का मतलब कभी भी नहीं. I hope you have the clear understanding about the adverb of frequency. Now I am showing your home task. This is again about the adverbs of frequency and your workbook page number 8. This you will be filled by yourself. Adverbs of frequency and you will be filled by yourself. This is your book page number 8. ये आपका homework है. This is your home task. Take the screenshot of your home task. Do course book pages number 11, 12, 13. आज आपने सिर्फ बुक का काम करना है, पेज नंबर 11, 12 और 13 का. और डू वर्क बुक पेजेस नंबर, वर्क बुक के कौन कौन से पेजेस करने हैं? 5, 6, 7, 8. इट्स मीन टुडे यू हैव जस्ट योर वर्क बुक पेजेस.